Hi guys, I've recently seen a video of Matt Easton. Hi Matt, you probably don't remember me. This is a response video. We met 6 or 5 years ago in Bedford, where you keep your classes of Schola Gladiatoria. Few hours of training, and I trained with Lucy, not with you, so you probably don't remember. Anyway, this is a short response video, as I have seen your fantastic, I have to admit, fantastic video about Roman helmets. But I totally agree on your points, but I think there is one more point you have, I will not say missed, I will say that I can give you more hints, more a different view on this particular element of Roman helmets. I have trained with my local club of reenactment in Sardinia, Italy, for let's say 10-15 years before leaving for England and then coming back to Italy for studying and working purposes. And I can tell you, based on my own personal experience, that yes, this detail in the Roman helmets can be used for parrying or defending the head from blows, from high blows, that possibly when descending downwards, they could hit the face of the wearer. But there is another point, and at the moment I don't have a shield, a scutum, as is kept in my exhibition in a local town here in Sardinia, and I will use another shield, let's say, well, okay, this can be, this can pass for a Roman parmula, a small round circular shield. So imagine this is a scutum, and you are protecting yourself with the shield. There is another point, which is when you're holding the shield, yeah, it's possible that if not held properly, the shield will hit your cheekbones. Makes perfect sense that the paragnatidi, as they are called in Italian, the cheek protection, is also here for protecting your face and especially your teeth. I have many friends in the reenactment community who have broken teeth, other types of damage to the mouth, etc. So, but when it comes to holding the shield in the Roman formation, for what I have trained in the years and based on my experience, you don't hold the shield like this, okay? So yeah, in the first moment of the battle, it's possible to hold the protection in this way, but as soon as you make contact with the sparring partner or with the foe, you hold the shield like this. So you try to use this rim for blocking on the shield itself, and that's why I guess there is some kind of indentation in these helmets. Some helmets of the hand of the let's say 2nd century AD, 3rd century AD have even some kind of spikes protruding from this rim. So you hold the shield like this, and you try to keep the strength of the opponent's charge. As soon as you can move, you can push it, you try to hit. So yeah, possibly the cheekbones, the cheek protections are made for this purpose, but also I think that of course they are there for protecting from the blows, and for what I've seen, they are not adequate to protect you from the shield struck into your face. The nose is especially exposed, the mouth is exposed. So if we see other kinds of helmets, like gladiator helmets and other types of Roman helmets, you don't see this protection very often. Let's say for the Montefortino type, you see you see the same kind of protection protruding to the neck, but you don't see this one. You start to seeing this in not even with the Gaulish helmets, but with the Roman ones. And I think is possibly a possible explanation is motivated by how the Romans used the shield in formation for keeping the line, keeping the clash of the opposite army and other kinds of movements, like also the vallum, like also the testudo. We have noticed that this rim is very useful for keeping the shield locked. There's another point. In my previous helmet is a type Cremona. The rim on the left side, where the helmet is protected by the shield, is evidently bended. You really see how much force is applied to the head, trying to not let the shield move during the fight or the contrast with the enemy. I think that every element in the Roman helmet is made on purpose for a specific reason, like the ear protection, like this little hinge for keeping the helmet during the march, or other details. My advice, my suggestion is that this part is not only made for protecting the head from the blows, the downward blows. That's briefly my thinking. I hope it will help you somehow, and that's everything for now. Greetings from Sardinia. Cheers!